Have you noticed the energy is kind of shifting as of lately? Like it's building up. Where do you feel that something big is about to happen? Something's about to change? And have you maybe even wondered what's been going on in the world? And even right now with energies, why has it been building up so much? What's going to happen? What is about to change? Well, in this video, I want to share with you a message from Archangel Michael about the conjunction that we're in right now. The conjunction between what has been and a new path ahead. So stay tuned because Archangel Michael has an amazing, powerful message that he would like to share with you. Hi there, Kay Sanders here, Transformation Success Coach, Akashic Record Guide, and Divine Messenger, here to help you awaken to your power within so you can create more success, abundance, and more freedom, all while making a bigger impact in the world. Now, in today's video, I want to share with you, I was guided to share with you a message from Archangel Michael, because if you have been feeling that the shift's been happening, that the energy has been building up, and you haven't quite been able to figure out what is going on, why is it feeling so in times intense and then also kind of quiet, where it maybe even feels like the quiet before the storm. And if you have been experiencing this and maybe even wondered what is going on in the world, why did everything happen the way it happened up until this point, and what's going to happen, what's happening moving forward, then this message from Archangel Michael may open your eyes and give you some clarity that will help you move forward on your path ahead. Because if you have felt this shift, then you're really not wrong. If you felt that something big is about to happen, you're not wrong, because we are at a turning point. Because I would say it's safe to say that the way things have been simply don't work anymore, right? There has been so much division going on for quite a while now, and we're really at this turning point right now where a lot is shifting, a lot is happening, a lot is changing. And Archangel Michael has a message about this conjunction of the old ways of how things have been in moving into a new way of being. So for this message, I want to invite you, you can just close your eyes to really allow these words to wash over you and also activate within you whatever needs to be activated right now at this time, so to help you move forward. Now, before I share the message with you, I do want to invite you to also check out the light code activation that I just shared recently about helping you activate that part within you to help you embrace that path ahead. Now, you can click on the card or you can check out the link that's in the description. But now, for this message, just if you can just get centered, close your eyes, drop into your heart, because you don't want to be in your head for this, right? Because you don't want your analytical mind, your ego, to tell you all kind of nonsense. So just get out of your head, drop into your heart, and allow Michael, Archangel Michael, to give you some clarity about what has been happening, what's going to happen, and what your part is in this path moving forward. Because you do play a significant role in this. If you're here listening, if you're here watching this video, then you have come to this video for a reason. You're watching this for a reason, because you're meant to hear this message from Archangel Michael. So just tune in, get centered, and allow the words to wash over you and activate you from within. Beloved being of the light, it is I, Archangel Michael, here with you with a message for you about the conjunction of what has been in a new path ahead. As you may have become aware of, tides are changing. That which has been is now fading away and being replaced with the new, more empowering energies that pave the way for a brighter future ahead. All that has occurred up until this point was necessary to uncover the division that has been at play for far too long. On this path ahead, the most important part is to come together as one once again. All the division that started from up above, the leaders of the world and your individual country have created a division between themselves, which then rippled out into the world, affecting humanity as a whole. This time is now coming to an end, but it had to start from above. The leaders had to come together in order to create unity, a bond between the two sides, which then will allow them to set the stage to create unity in the world. This conjunction of what has been and the new path ahead is quite profound, as an exciting time of renewal, of coming together, and of unity is unfolding. You as an individual may aid this conjunction by allowing yourself to realize what is now ready to be released in your own life. Whether it is old beliefs that no longer serve you, old habits that too are now ready to be changed and upgraded, anything in your life that doesn't feel quite in alignment any longer, we wish to invite you to look closer. Uncover the division in your own life, the division between how things have been up until this point and a new path ahead, the path you know you are meant to step onto. Uncovering the division in your own life will give you great insights into what is now asking to be released, let go of, changed, and even up-leveled as your path ahead is now unfolding as well. You may have already experienced glimpses and had insights into what is asking to unfold, what is asking to be expressed through you moving forward. It is now time to listen closely, as Soul has a message for you. It is now time to lay down the layers of doubt, fear, worries, and inner disconnect so you may align yourself to what you are here to do and meant to do. Because it is now time to embrace this path ahead. It is now time to step into your divine path of being the way shower the world needs you to be moving forward. You may have been wondering about all that has occurred in your own life as well as on a collective level. And we're here to share with you that it all was necessary to get to this point. Humanity needed to be made aware of the great division that had been created in the world. As moving forward, division is no longer of benefit to humanity as a whole. It is now time to come together as one, once again, and create unity. Unity in all areas, as this unity will then create the abundance available to everyone. Indeed, all that has occurred was quite upsetting and unsettling, even traumatic, but it all played an important role in the inner awakening of humanity. Too many have been blind and unwilling to see what is asking to be seen, heard, and changed, which is why all that had been unfolding had happened as it was meant to wake up the people of this world, to shake them at the core so they finally open their eyes to what has been happening all around them, so they may choose to let go of the old and embrace a new way of being, a way of coming together as one. Indeed, this time of conjunction of all that has been and the new path ahead is quite powerful, as it is going to pave a new way ahead. A way where humanity realizes that division is not the way to go about life, that all are one, all are equal, and all are part of this world. No one is lesser than another. No one is less deserving, less capable, less worthy to live the life they desire to live, without all the division that has kept the rich and wealthy getting even more rich and wealthy, and the poor to keep struggling to get by. This too now is coming to an end, as the energies of wealth, abundance, and prosperity too are shifting, giving everyone the opportunity to do their inner work to release the layers of lack, limitation, fear, doubt, and other lower levels of energies that has been nurturing the division, and instead turning the tides to start nurturing abundance, wealth, freedom, happiness, and most of all, equality and oneness. We ask of you to do your own part in this change that is unfolding. Uncover your own inner divisions of lack and limitation, anger, hatred, shame, guilt, even fear and worry, to release and transmute these feelings into the feeling of love, gratitude, abundance, self-worth, self-love, happiness, unity, and freedom. It starts with you, beloved being of the light, to be the change you wish to see in the world. Do your own work and shine your light so brightly as you continue walking your own walk of awakening, of releasing the layers of densities that keep you in the energy of division from within and without. Shine forth your own light and be the way shower others can learn from, be impacted by, and be inspired to change their own life as they get to see how it has changed your own. Go on now. Take time to uncover where division has been present in your own life, and take the necessary steps to heal and release whatever is now asked you to be released, so you may feel empowered to embrace this new path ahead and become the way shower to others, and create unity where there was division, create love where there was hate and agony, create abundance where there was lack. Be the change you wish to see in the world. It starts with you, and with each step you take, you then will impact the world, one step at a time, one change at a time, one smile at a time, one action of love at a time. It is within you to create this change, but it starts with you. Blessed be, beloved child of the light. We love and appreciate you always. Wow, what a powerful message, right? I mean, Archangel Michael is right. I mean, there has been so much division all around. I mean, you just need to turn on the news to see what's been going on. And things are really shifting. So what you have been feeling up until this point, the energy shifting, the energy kind of building up, and it feels like that something big is about to happen. This is what's about to happen. This is what we are moving into, and it's not something that just happens just like that in one day and poof, you know, everything has changed. But this energy right now is of the nurturing kind to help to move us forward, to help us really be the change we want to see in the world. But like Archangel Michael said, it starts with you, it starts with me, it starts with each and every one of us. If we can do our own work, if we can start with changing our own life, it will ripple out into the world. It will impact others, because as they get to see how our life changes, whenever your family, your friends get to see how your life changes because of the work that you have been doing, they will be impacted too, because whatever work you do is really that powerful, because it's a ripple effect. It creates that ripple effect that impacts everyone in your life. That's powerful. So the guidance that you have received from Archangel Michael right now really pointed to that everything that happened was happening to all of our highest and greatest good. It happened for a reason, because let's face it, we needed to learn that, right? We needed to wake up. We needed to realize how much division there has been in the world so we can make a change. I truly believe, and that's what one of the things my guides always tell me, is that awareness is key. Because with awareness, there's the power of choice. If you don't have awareness, you're basically powerless because you're unaware. But when you become aware of division, of lack and limitation, of holding back or anything like that, anything that really doesn't serve you, then you have the power to do something about it. You can choose to change. You can choose to heal and release. You can choose to do something about it, to course correct. So powerful. So if you like this message from Archangel Michael, I want to invite you, hit the like button, and please share it with someone that you feel that needs to hear this message. And I want to invite you, just like what Archangel Michael mentioned, assess your own life. You know, now it's a great time to really sit down, take some time to sit down and assess your life. Where is division present in your life? Where do you hold back? Where do you react in anger and frustration and lack and limitation versus responding in ability, in abundance, in success, in joy, in happiness, in love, in gratitude? Allow yourself to uncover where in your life is division part of your life. And then allow yourself to make a change. Like I said, awareness is key here. The more aware you become where there is division in your life, then you can do something about it. You can make a change. So I want to invite you, take some time today, sit down and uncover where do you feel division in your life. And then set some clear intention to let it go. Choose the different side. Choose what is to your highest and greatest good, so you can really embrace your path ahead and move forward. And like I just earlier mentioned, I do have a video about an activation, a light code activation, to really help you embrace your path. Let go of whatever is ready to be let go of, so you can feel empowered and confident to really take that next step forward in moving forward on your path and doing what you know you're meant to do, or even if you don't quite know what you're meant to do. But it will help you become more clear of what that next step is. So I want to invite you, check out that video, the light language activations, to really help you activate that part within you to move forward. But now before you go, before you check out that video, I have a question for you. What change do you want to see in the world? What would you like to see different in the world? Leave a comment below and let me know. Let the world know of what change do you want to see in the world. But then I also want to invite you, be the change. Whatever change you want to see in the world, it starts with you. Be the change so it will then impact the world as a whole, impact the people in your life, because like I said, there's a ripple effect. Okay, so if you like this video, if you enjoyed this message, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you're like getting like messages like that, or even like some light language activations, be sure to subscribe to my channel, because I will release more content like this. But I want to thank you so much for being here, and I also want to thank you for being on this path that you're on right now, for the confidence, the courage that you have, for really making this your life path, for really following your heart's calling. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be an amazing, amazing journey. So thanks so much for tuning in. I will talk to you again next video. Until then, make an amazingly abundant, successful day. Namaste.